Hi, welcome to VIVE Cooking School. I'm Jodie and today I'm going to show you an easy way to dice an onion. First, what you'd like to do is top and tail your onion. Then place it on a flat surface before you cut again. Slice it in half and then we need to peel. Once it's all peeled, then we're going to slice it through but leave a little section on the end here. So we're just going to slice it, keep the slices the same size throughout, so then we get a nice even dice of our onion. Once we've sliced through all the way to the end, it should look something like this, but held together at the end there. And then if you've got a larger onion, you just want to slice through once this way, minding your fingers, of course. And then we go through back the other way. I slow it down a little bit. You can see that as we're cutting, we're getting a really nice fine dice. Once we get to the end that is not sliced up, we just place that down, slice over one way, and then once we're done, flip it around, and then we're able to dice that up nice and easily. If you wish to use the other half of the onion, just repeat the steps which we did in the first half.